For this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a flared sleeve. Remember I showed you how to make a sleeve block. So you'll trace that out, and then from there on we shall flare the sleeve. Take your sleeve, decide the length. You can choose a long sleeve or a short sleeve. So let's trace this out. So now that's that. We've traced out the sleeve. That's the first thing. So remember, a flared sleeve is flared all over, right? There are many different types of flare you can have. It can be slightly flared, very flared, or in the middle. It can be flared and then put back in like a bishop sleeve. There are many things you can do the flared sleeve, but this is the basic one, because once you know how to do this, you can do anything else. So what you want to do is, this is the center line. Draw one more line here and one more line here. You're going to cut it out and open it out. You can just measure from here to here, get half, and here to here, get half. Yeah. So that's that. Now we need to cut out the sleeve. Remember, don't use your fabric scissors on paper because they'll get blunt. Now we've cut out the sleeve. What you want to do now, cut out this part, cut through, but don't separate it completely. Just cut through till here. Yeah, don't separate it completely. Just slash till somewhere. That's it. Now, once you've slashed through, as you can see, I've not slashed completely, right? What you want to do is flare the sleeve out, because you're making a flared sleeve. That's exactly what you do. You flare the sleeve out like that. Now, how much flare you want is up to you. It can be completely flared, like extra like that. It can be just slightly flared, or it can be medium, whatever you want. So in this case, let's just make it a bit medium, somewhere there. But make sure the distance you flare on each section is the same for all of them. And then take your masking tape and tape it. Like that's now what you'll do for all the sections. Oh, that's too small. Come there. Or you can put a paper behind. Trace that out. Remember your balance points. Now it's at this point that you'll add seam allowance if you, yes, seam allowance. You can add half an inch, whatever. I'm just going to add half an inch or 1.5 centimeters of there. So this is your flared sleeve. Yeah, if you have any questions, please ask. Now you just take your fabric, cut this out, and then stitch like we normally stitch, you know. You turn it like that and then stitch from here all the way down. Yeah. And then this point will join to the armhole of the garment.